In this video, we'll talk about Balochi language. Baluchi, Baluchi, Balochi or Baluchi. As you can observe, there are different pronunciations of this language, and that depends on where you live. But the proper pronunciation is Baluchi with a W in the middle. Even though Baluchi is more commonly written in the following ways, but the proper pronunciation is with a W after O. And Balochi is the language of the Baluch. So same issue with the nationality. Baluch would be the proper pronunciation, but there is also Baloch, Baluch, Baloch, or Balok if you're an old English person. So your pronunciation of Baluch will tell the other person where you've been raised, and there are plenty of stereotypes associated with each pronunciation. Baluchi is the language of Balochistan. So where is Balochistan?
You see, this is Iran, this is Afghanistan, this is Pakistan. And all this is Balochistan. The English draw a line through here and say, this is Afghanistan, this is Pakistan. But our people don't care for these borders. We are one people, Baloch. And one day, we were a sovereign country. That's what I fight for, Balochistan.
Well, Pakistan is not likely to give up this land, is it? I mean, look how they cling on to Kashmir.
The Kashmir problem cannot be solved. The Indian army wants it too. But here it's very simple. Balochistan wants freedom, and we will get it.
Baloch are divided into three countries: Iran, Pakistan and Afghanistan, partly due to past disunity, colonialism and weak leadership. Outside Balochistan, there is a large population of Baloch in the Gulf countries, Turkmenistan, East Africa, and the smaller communities in Europe and North America. Some estimate the overall population of Baloch diaspora close to 30 million, but we don't have accurate figures due to the politics dominating the region. There are various dialects when it comes to Baluchi. We can divide them into three categories. We have Eastern Baluchi, which is more influenced by Pashto and Sindhi, Western Baluchi, which is influenced by Persian, and we have Southern Baluchi, which is influenced by Persian and Arabic. If three Baluch from the three different dialects get together for a chat, there will be no difficulties in understanding one another. However, the younger generation tend to use more and more loan words from the dominant languages occupying their region, and the external choice of words can lead to difficulties in understanding one another, therefore leading to further division. There's also the accents, and there's some wonderful and some very harsh accent when it comes to Balochi language. But overall, Balochi language is very close to Kurdish language. One thing I need to add here is the increasing usage of loan words from other languages is a major threat that needs to be confronted. Also, Balochi is forbidden to teach in schools. One can argue that is a dirty trick played by the occupying countries in order to downgrade Balochi language into a home-only language. The purpose here is to destroy Balochi language, and with it, its nationalism and pro-independence stance.